been over 30 days now since the Pahalgam massacre and 18 days since Operation Sindoor. But today we talk about the two faces of the Congress party, the two models that its leaders are following. The sharp contrast that is very much visible in the statements that are being made by some within the party ranks, led by Rahul Gandhi himself. Right from taking on the External Affairs Minister to doubting the government's version of Operation Sindoor chronology, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha has been busy looking for loopholes in India's military action against Pakistan. On the other hand, there are own party leaders in delegations who are part of this global mission to expose Pakistan and its nefarious agenda. Be it Shashi Tharoor, be it Salman Khurshid, or be it Manish Tiwari, despite not being from the treasury benches, they've all done a brilliant job of busting Terroristan's nefarious propaganda, while speaking in one voice, that is the voice of India.
I don't work for the government. As you know, I work for an opposition party, but I myself authored an op-ed in one of India's leading papers, the Indian Express, within a couple of days, saying the time had come to hit hard but hit smart. And I'm pleased to say that's exactly what India did. Very precise and calibrated strikes took place on 9 specific known terrorist bases, headquarters and launch pads.
I genuinely hope that we will. One important message that's coming across here is that we come from different political parties. We fight vigorously at home, but when it comes to India and it comes to India's very critical message about fighting terrorism, which threatens the world, not just India alone, that we all appear here together, and I think that's greatly appreciated, and hopefully this will be so as we go from one country to another.
Thank you. Well, let's take a look at the multiple statements that have been made by Rahul Gandhi that have been directly contradicted by his own party members on a global platform as they present India's version to the world. Let's first take a look at exactly what Rahul Gandhi has been saying. What is the JJ analogy or the initials that he has been referring to while saying that the Prime Minister is busy giving hollow speeches and India's foreign policy has failed. However, when it comes to his own leader and party MP, Shashi Tharoor, who is part of these multiple delegations that are visiting different countries, saying that we must fight unitedly for India and India has hit Pakistan hard and smart. Now contradict again with Rahul Gandhi. He says that India's foreign policy has collapsed versus another leader and a former Union Minister, Salman Khurshid, saying that India is completely in a different league today. Let's again talk about Rahul Gandhi and his contradiction, because he's been asking who exactly is Donald Trump to mediate. However, countered by his own party leader, Manish Tiwari says that India never agreed to any mediation. So exactly what are these two models that currently seems to be operating within the Congress party? Let's get you through diametrically opposite reactions and you can decide for yourself. Rahul Gandhi on one hand saying that informing Pakistan in advance of Operation Sindoor is a crime in itself. However, his own party president says that Operation Sindoor was a chutput operation. Jaishankar acted like an informant. This is something that the party line is being followed by other leaders and spokespersons like Pawan Khera. However, a direct contradiction that has been drawn by the other leaders of the party, saying that I don't work for the government, but India hit hard and smart. That was the statement that we just heard from Shashi Tharoor. And here is another statement by Salman Khurshid saying that we fight at home but appear together here. And also Manish Tiwari coming out to say that Pakistan is a rogue state and we are exposing its conspiracy. Now, in the meantime, if it wasn't enough, All India Mahila Congress President Alka Lamba, while addressing the media, referred to Operation Sindoor as Operation Blue Star. I'm going to repeat. Yes, she said Operation Blue Star instead of Operation Sindoor. She later called it a slip of tongue, but the BJP instead that this is a slip of the mindset.
एक सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाइए और उसकी अध्यक्षता आप करिए। हम मांग करते हैं कि ये समय की मांग है, जरूरत है कि संसद के दोनों सत्रों को शीघ्र बुलाकर ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार पर पूरी व्यापक देश को जानकारी सरकार के द्वारा दी जाए।
सेना का अपमान, यही तो कांग्रेस की पहचान। करो पाकिस्तान का गुणगान, दो शरीर एक जान, कांग्रेस और पाकिस्तान। देखिए, आज फिर से सेना का अपमान किया। अलका लांबा ऑफिशियल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करते वक्त ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार बता रही है। मतलब कि उन्हें बेसिक जानकारी नहीं है या जानबूझकर लगातार सेना पर यह हमला किया जा रहा है। टेरर को ट्रेजेडी बोलना, व्हाइट वॉशिंग करना, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को ब्लू स्टार बोलना, कि ये कांग्रेस ने अपना असली चरित्र दिखा दिया है। ये सेना विरोधी है।